I love the look of these magnetic lashes. Hey, it's Felicia. I picked up the Ardell magnetic liner and lash kit from a drugstore on sale for $20 Canadian. Several people have asked me how they feel and how they wear after a full day, so I'm testing them out just for you. It's 27 degrees Celsius today in Calgary where I live, and I'll let you know how these hold up for the rest of the day. Say hi. Hi. I've been wearing my lashes for more than an hour now, and I think they still look good. They still feel good. They're holding up well. We're just playing here at home for now, and then I'm gonna head out later to pick up Aurora. Can you say see you soon?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Aurora.
Hi, Aurora. I picked up Aurora, and she got her Happy Meal. What did you get?
I'm finding a toy.
Fries and a toy, the best. I've been wearing my eyelashes now for about 3 hours, and it's hot today, 26 degrees Celsius, so you can see a little bit of glistening sheen, but they're holding up well. I haven't had any problems with them so far. It's a hot day, and without air conditioning, I'm sweating. Doing some housework. I've been wearing these lashes for about 4 hours now. Still feels good and still looks good. I'm gonna be heading outside next into the heat. The breeze is blowing. It's a pretty windy day actually. Currently 26 degrees Celsius, and I am just testing out these lashes on the way to the park with my girls, having a good time. The sun is beating down, it's hot, it's windy, and I'll show you by the end how it looks. See Aurora? There's a decently strong wind right now, so I wanted to show you how it's holding up against the wind, and honestly it doesn't feel like it's going to fly away. The grip is very secure. I just spent the last hour chasing around my kids under windy conditions, and my husband, he did a lash check and he tells me everything is where it should be. It's past 1 in the morning and I'm shooting this video. I've been wearing these for more than 12 hours. These magnetic lashes are amazingly still in place. Even the ends, the corners, are held snugly in place. And I think what really helped is adding the extra magnetic liner towards the inner corner and the outer corners, because in the past I've found that they have flared out, but now they're really nice and snug against my lash line. So it's been really good that way. Also, I have to say that I fell asleep accidentally, but it's a good test because even after waking up, they didn't budge and it didn't bother my eyes at all. So I don't have the most oily eyelids. A lot of people have been asking me how they hold up to oil on the lids. I don't have super oily lids, but these are the oiliest my eyelids would get, and it didn't bother it at all. I wanted to do a live test here on camera to see how these hold up against water, because they can get smudgy in the past when I've tried to put them on. So I'm gonna see what they look like after I add some water. Just see, like if you got splashed with water or you were in the rain. Okay, so I've tried it on that eye. I'm just gonna take a peek. So far, I don't really notice a difference. Also, do you like my unicorn mirror? I made it myself. It looks really good. So another thing to note, you're not supposed to wear these magnetic lashes if you're ever gonna get an MRI, because they are magnetic, so it won't be a good idea. Overall, I have to say that after wearing them for 12 hours straight, I'm really impressed. They're fantastic. For $20, $25 Canadian, they're a really good buy. They've held up for the whole day and I haven't had any problems wearing them. They feel like wearing false eyelashes. I really only feel them when I blink and the lashes touch my face. Otherwise, when my eyes are open, I don't feel it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, otherwise I'm gonna turn into a pumpkin. And if you like, you can watch the next video, which will show you how to take care of them and how to remove them off your face. Thanks so much for watching, and please let me know what you thought of this video. And if you have any questions, please write them in the comments.